Welcome to the beginning of the cruise video for 2022. First cruise back on Carnival since the pandemic hit. And it is packing day, the day before leaving for the airport to go to the cruise. So we're going to turn this around and get a view of the clothing. Here we go. Here's everything laid out on my bed to see if it, and then the next trick is to see if it will fit into the suitcase. So here's everything that has to go in, and then we're going to see if it will fit. All right, as you can see, everything went in to the suitcase. Closes. It will zip fine. The only thing that's missing now are the toiletries, which I will pack tomorrow in the morning. And there's plenty of room up here, right there, for the toiletries. Also, I have a day pack and sneakers that I'll wear tomorrow. But the day pack will be there. Charger has to go in there. Not much else has to go in there now. Headphones. Cable for that, lanyard, birth certificate for identification, got some cold medicine just in case, got a phone holder to put my phone up on stuff, and so, yep, there we go. Set, really quick packing, easy checklist, and all ready to go. And yeah, I am excited. It's been way too long since we've been out there on the cruise ship. I've been on some small boats, but this is going to be the first time back on the high seas. I am really excited to spend time with my brother, and we will report back during transit tomorrow. Until then, ciao. At the airport, just took the Uber, got here, need to go to baggage check and, well, security. So, see you in a bit. Good morning from the airport terminal. Breakfast time, got here. Getting Dunkin' for breakfast. I know I'm close. Don't worry people, I'm not filming you. But breakfast is as follows. Dunkin', coffee, sandwich, and inside this bag is a donut. So going to enjoy, get a little protein. Hopefully everything is running on time. It was running on time before. Let me get back to self. So flight was running on time before, and yeah, it'll be good. Next leg starts now. In Detroit, gotta go all the way to the end of the terminal, taking the train. Gotta go to A7. So we're about to board. Here we go. Hello. You're on candid camera.
Oh, hello.
Yes, we are in Houston.
Mark, what are you doing? What?
Arrived safely.
What's that for?
What do you mean, what's this for?
So we know how to act.
You know what I'm doing.
It's his vlog.
Oh, so we shouldn't say anything like wet ass pussy.
Here we go again. Here we go again. How was the drive here?
It was
fine.
It was good, yeah.
Okay, good. Oh, I'm also getting messages.
You only like slow cars at the airport.
Okay, right.
Yeah. Everything else, there's no accidents, no. We stopped at two Buc-ee's.
Buc-ee's. Already? We have to stop at Buc-ee's getting in. Okay. Are we going to meet the rest of the group?
We're going to the hotel.
Okay. That's fine.
That's where the directions are.
And it'll take a little bit of time to get there.
says an hour and 6 minutes, but probably longer.
Okay.
I don't know where it's a long one.
We'll get there when we get there. But we're finally heading to go on another cruise, and we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have lots of fun.
If you have to pay for it, we'll pay for it. That's what it is. You know?
I'll be like, look,
So
you people already said, didn't say anything about a shuttle. You said there was parking. You never said we had to pay more for it.
Yeah.
I said, do you guys have free parking for the week for a cruise? Yes.
hello. Where are we?
At the spot.
We're at the spot. It's a pre-cruise dinner. We already got beads. Hello. We already got beads, and then look, we got these prizes, these ducks and things that we get to keep. Bunch of people here, and that's where it came from. That bag. What are you gonna get? What you got? Did you get a duck?
He got seasick.
There we go. And that's our view in the parking lot. All right, that's enough. Bye.